Have you ever wondered what holds atoms together in a compound? Or why salt dissolves in water but oil does not? The answer lies in a fascinating phenomenon known as chemical bonding, specifically ionic bonding. Imagine a bustling marketplace. Traders from all over come to buy, sell, or trade goods. In a way, atoms behave similarly. They trade their most valuable commodity, electrons, to achieve stability. This trading of electrons is the crux of ionic bonding. Ionic bonding typically occurs between metals and nonmetals. Metals, being generous by nature, tend to lose electrons and become positively charged ions, also known as cations. On the other hand, nonmetals, being more on the needy side, accept those electrons and become negatively charged ions, known as anions. Picture this scenario. Sodium, a metal, has one electron it would rather get rid of to achieve stability. Chlorine, a nonmetal, needs one electron to reach its stability. Sodium willingly gives its electron to chlorine. In return, sodium becomes a positive ion, and chlorine becomes a negative ion. This exchange results in an ionic bond forming a compound known as sodium chloride, or as we like to call it, table salt. The formation of ionic bonds leads to the creation of a vast network of positive and negative ions, arranged in a specific manner known as a crystal lattice. This structure is responsible for many of the properties of ionic compounds. For instance, the strong bonds between the ions make ionic compounds hard and brittle. One of the most intriguing characteristics of ionic compounds is their ability to conduct electricity when melted or dissolved in water. This happens because the ions are free to move and carry an electric charge. This is why salt water conducts electricity, while oil, lacking these essential ions, does not. To summarize, ionic bonding is a type of chemical bonding, where atoms exchange electrons to form ions, which then attract each other to form a compound. This process results in a crystal lattice structure, giving ionic compounds their unique properties like hardness, brittleness, and the ability to conduct electricity when dissolved or melted. So, the next time you sprinkle salt on your fries or see a lightning bolt over the sea, remember the invisible world of ions and their incredible ability to create the world as we know it through ionic bonding.